Brackeys, a game development YouTube channel with over 2 million subscribers that started posting Unity tutorials something like 11 years ago, but well, something like 4 years ago, he said that he was not going to anymore be publishing these tutorials for different reasons. And then 7 months ago, he announced that he was going to be back with some Godot tutorials, and that was how in just some days, weeks after, he basically released a full Godot tutorial in which he shows how to build a game. So well, it was a pretty simple game, but still people were able to learn a lot from the tutorials, and you can check that indeed the number of views was amazing. If we, for example, compared it to the previous tutorials that he was uploading, it was huge, the support that people showed. And not only that, but just some weeks, some days after releasing this video, he released another one, but in the basis of GD scripts. Okay, here they weren't, like, I believe, creating something like completely playable, or the main aim wasn't to create something playable, but just to actually explain some basic GD script concepts. Well, we didn't have any kinds of news until something like 1 month ago, when the Brackeys Game Jam that is usually held annually, well, here he creates a compilation of the best games. Of course, here this time the community didn't show a lot of support, because, well, maybe this is not the type of content that actually is meant to go viral in his channel or something like that. And also in the community post, he wasn't like mentioning a lot of things about this. He was mentioning stuff about the game jam and everything like that, but well, as you can see, nothing more about Godot or anything like that. And in reality, for the past months or even years, the whole page was just, or at least community page, was just about the game jams itself. So this actually got me thinking a lot, because probably the main reason why he's not uploading new content, new Godot content at least, probably it's not because these videos hadn't made him earn the money that he was expecting, because of course the production that was behind this course, if you have actually taken it, were huge, okay, with all his amazing explanations. Also graphic assets to explain everything was huge, okay, and of course the usual quality of him talking in front of the camera, the mic quality, literally everything is like a course that could perfectly be published in any kind of platforms for hundreds of dollars. Well, maybe not hundreds of dollars, a 1 hour and 15-minute course, but well, you understand the idea. And of course, a lot of the people from the Godot community itself were like quite amazed by this, because this means a lot for the actual game engine and for the growth that it has experienced in the past year, that was huge, and in the past months even more. So well, it is so unfortunate that we don't have any news of him, unless until right now. So of course we cannot say, oh, he's not coming back ever again, or he's going to come back with something super huge. We don't really know what he has, because, well, if you ask me, I don't think that he will like say goodbye again, or at least from one day to other he wouldn't do that, I would say. Because once again, he came back and everybody was there watching his videos, and these videos got a huge number of views, so he wouldn't say, okay, bye bye once again. I don't think that would happen, but well, who knows. On the contrary, if you ask me, maybe he is in the way of creating something bigger. Maybe these two videos, as they are quite short, maybe they were just some kind of test to see if his community and if the community in general was interested in learning the Godot engine. And as he realized that the community is, well, maybe he is indeed taking all these months to actually prepare something even bigger, probably for at least 2025, first weeks or first months of 2025. What could this be? Maybe more YouTube videos, even longer, a longer course, longer videos. Maybe he has been preparing like a lot of Godot content that he's going to be uploading. We don't really know. Or even maybe he may add here a brand new platform in his forum or in other completely different websites, in which he may directly sell the courses, okay, because he could do that technically, because he has like a huge community, or at least some extra material or people to donate to a course if they wanted to. Like the course could be free, but when they download it, there could be a pop-up, okay, yes, the course is free, but if you want to donate some money to the company or to me personally, I don't know, you can do it. So well, I just wanted to comment on that because well, I was also when he posted these two things in like a matter of 7-8 days, I don't really remember, I was quite hyped because I thought that maybe well every week or every 2 weeks we would have Godot's content, and well, when that didn't happen for 7 months, well, I was a little bit discouraged, but well, who knows what happens in the future.